Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to present to you how Binance could use the DIVA app, which is built on top of DIVA Protocol, to create a product for the users that would compensate them in the event of a Binance default. So let's get started. So when you go to create page, you select offer, and then we first define the event. So the event is Binance defaults or not, which is a binary event. So we can say Binance defaults outcome greater than 0. Apologize for that. If they don't default, an outcome of 0 will be reported. Let's assume that whether Binance has defaulted or not will be assessed end of next year. Okay, perfect. Now we have defined the event. Now we have to define the payoff profiles. And as you know, in DIVA protocols, the payoff profiles are highly flexible, so you can configure whatever you want, from binary to linear or a combination of both. So let me set the values and explain afterwards why I did that, and apologize for the chart being messed up for that particular special combination. So what does Binance want? So they want to put in capital, or they want to earn a yield if they don't default, so if the outcome is 0, right? So what we have configured here is if they don't default, and say an oracle doesn't report anything, it will default to inflection, which is 0 here. The payout for the long side will be 0, and for the short side 1 minus 0. So basically Binance would like to take the short position in that derivative contract. Now they could say, okay, we will put a total of 1000 should be put into the pool, and we will contribute 970. Okay, if we don't default, we can take out the 1000, basically making a 3% yield on our deposited amount. Our counterparty, which are the users that are buying the protection, for every $30 they contribute, they can expect a $1000 payout in the event of a Binance default. So basically a 33x on their kind of like purchasing price in that case, right? Now let's assume Binance wants to offer or start offering this product now until year end. Okay, so users can buy the protection product until year end at these terms, which basically represent prices. Okay, that part is done. Now we need to select an oracle that will report the outcome. So for the DIVA app, we're working with the teller team to report the outcomes. So we are here on a testnet on Gurley, so I take the latest version of this adapter contract that we have developed just for demonstration purposes. And now it's basically done. So now Binance can review whether the specified terms are correct. So here Binance will contribute 970. The users that want to buy protection will contribute 30, and the maximum payout is 1000, right? And Binance has the short position, which means if an outcome of 0 is reported, i.e. they did not default, they receive the payout, right? And so the users that are buying the protection, they will be long, so they have exactly the opposite payout, which we will see in a second. So far there was no transaction, and also if I create this offer, it's not a transaction, it's just I'm signing the terms that I defined here with my private key. So I commit to basically taking one side of the derivative contract here. Okay, good. Now the offer is created. Now there are 3 different ways that you can kind of like store the offer terms. So you can copy it, you can download it here, but the most convenient way is just to have the link. So this offer was also sent to your server where it can be picked up, passed into a smart contract function, which will then create those 2 positions on chain. So let me demonstrate this to you. So we go here. Now I'm a user that wants to buy protection. Okay. We can also quickly switch the wallet just to have a more realistic example. So now what does the user see? So first, what you see here, it's much less information, less intimidating. So the user sees here, okay, Binance defaults, and if they do, a report of an outcome of greater than 0 will be reported, and I get a 33.33x on my money. So basically, if I buy an insurance for $1,000, I pay $30 now to be protected. Okay, and yeah, that's basically it. I can also say, okay, I only want to buy protection for up to $166, so just paying 5. I fill that, and now you see this is the MetaMask window that will actually trigger an on-chain transaction. So it takes a while to process, but what is happening in the background, the contract is pulling $5 from my wallet, the corresponding amount from the Binance wallet, and these funds are held in DIVA Protocol in the smart contract. So now you see, now I have the long position in pool 36, or in the derivative contract 36. So if I go here, I also see it here in my my positions in my dashboard. And when this product expires end of year, I will be able to redeem it if Binance indeed defaults, or yeah, it will just expire worthless. So I paid $5, will not receive anything. So I hope this was helpful and insightful, and yeah, let's get Binance to issue products on DIVA Protocol. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye bye.